ngayong araw guys, may buyer tayo. So first transaction of the day, Suzuki Katana na 2019. Sobrang sariwa nito guys. Bagong PMS natin to, bagong palit ng clutch lining, kumpleto na accessories. Kaya lang mapapalaban tayo English dito guys kasi yung buyer natin is Chinese.
Sisiu.
What's your name, sir?
Jerry.
Jerry. So Jerry from Pampanga?
No, I'm from Suti.
Subic. So very far. Subic. Okay, check the bike, sir. 17,000 kilometer odo. We have newly replaced the clutch lining. I have replaced it already. This is his manual. Also have RFID ready.
With first owner.
No, I'm not the first owner. That's the brand new price. Brand new price is 799,000 plus the registration. That's the original owner. This is the original CR. Certificate of registration.
Renew already? Take year?
Oy, boy.
I think sir, it's expired registration. Like that one also versus 1,000, 3,000 odo only. Benta ko lang to sir, 695. Yes, sobrang mura. Tagalog pala si sir eh. Akala ko, marunong ka pala Tagalog sir eh. Konti lang Tagalog. Konti lang. Iba pa na.
It's an original?
Yes sir, it's all original. We just put slider, lights, side mirror, radiator guard I think. Oh, this one is original and this one is the aftermarket. It's very cheap sir. If you will not get it, there's another buyer will come today from Tarlac.